Alabama state-to-state moving companies. Moving is one of the most tedious tasks, but it can be made easier with the help of professional movers. Alabama has an abundance of excellent full-service moving companies that can take care of your move from start to finish. When you choose a reputable firm, how much does your move cost? Ensure that you get an accurate and transparent quote for your relocation before hiring anyone so there are no surprise charges and fees down the line. With proper research, you will be able to find the best moving company in Alabama that meets your needs and budget. This way, you can rest easily knowing that your precious belongings are in good hands throughout the course of the move. Looking for cheap long-distance movers near you in Alabama? The day has come, and you have finally decided to make your move to Alabama. The only problem, you don't have enough friends and family to help you truck all of your personal belongings 2 or 3 states away. No matter if you're moving down the street or to another country, a One Auto Transport can help. Before blindly signing a contract, make sure everything you require is included in the documentation. All services you want should be listed with the appropriate rates. Make sure all information is correct, such as addresses and personal information, including several phone numbers for the movers to reach you at. Make sure the small print accurately includes everything told to you by the professionals. Before signing, check with your homeowner's insurance policy to see if your possessions are covered during the relocation. If not, make sure the moving company carries insurance and that is mentioned in the contract. Still have questions about affordable moving company and make your move to Alabama as stress-free and cost-effective as possible? Call us at 1-888-230-9116.